To remotely start your 2017-2021 Cadillac XT5, first ensure the vehicle is in park and all doors are locked. Then, press the lock button on your key fob. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button, the curved arrow symbol, for 2 to 4 seconds. The turn signal lights will flash, indicating the engine has started. The remote start will run for 10 minutes. You can extend it once by repeating these steps within the initial 10-minute cycle, for a total of 20 minutes. To turn off the engine, simply press the remote start button again. The remote start feature requires the key fob to be within a range of 100 to 300 feet. Obstacles may reduce range. If the system fails, ensure the doors are locked and the vehicle is in park. Low fuel levels or detected system issues can also prevent remote start. If problems persist, consult your My Cadillac app for diagnostics or visit a dealer for firmware updates, especially for 2017-2019 models. Remember that frequent use can slightly drain the battery, with Edmunds reporting a 0.5 to 1% loss per start. For optimal performance, keep your key fob in good condition and be aware of potential signal interference in urban areas.